What's up guys? So I'm going to show you a little trick or extra customization that you can do with your WhatsApp chat wallpaper. So if you have dark mode turned on your phone, that is when you can use this. So if you go into settings in WhatsApp, then go into chats, and on top you have chat wallpaper. So when you go into this, as you can see that if you have dark mode turned on, at the bottom over here you see you have this slider. So with this you can select how bright or absolutely dark your chat wallpaper can be. So I mean, say you've selected a dark wallpaper as it is, you set that, but at night even these little colored bits could be bright. So you can just drag this absolutely to the end, or maybe keep it very faint, and that way you get the darkest wallpaper possible. So you don't need to really select a black wallpaper, because at the end of the day, the next time you want to change it, you can just drag it back and get this beautiful wallpaper. But for night, you can just drag it all the way to the right and get a pitch black wallpaper, so it doesn't hurt your eye and it's pretty good. So check it out.